Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to Lakshravan Academy. I am Dr. Lokina. So shall we see the disaccharides and polysaccharides today? Okay, so what are all having disaccharides? So here disaccharides are, these are all carbohydrate. Disaccharides are sucrose, maltose, lactose. And we have polysaccharides, starch, cellulose and glycogen. Okay, so what about the hydrolysis products of the sucrose? So sucrose, it is a alpha D glucose and beta D glucose are the hydrolysis products. And what about the linkage? So here C1 of this glucose, C1 this is carbon 1 from glucose and carbon 2 from fructose. So these are all the linkage of the sucrose. Okay, second one is maltose. Maltose, the product is alpha D glucose. And here, what are all the bonding here? Carbon 1 of glucose and carbon 4 of glucose. Okay. So here, lactose is a disaccharide, one of the example for disaccharide. Here the products are beta D galactose and beta D glucose. So C1 of galactose and C4 of glucose will be a linkage. Okay. So starch, it is a polysaccharide, one of the polysaccharide. So here the products are, it will give you amylose and amylopectin. So here it is little bit complicated. Amylose, C1 and C4 of glycosidic linkage between alpha D glucose, and in amylopectin again C1 C4, but between alpha D glucose and branching by it is C1 C6. So branching is carbon 1 and carbon 6 linkage, and here C1 C4 of this alpha D glucose. Okay, and cellulose, it is a polysaccharide. The product is beta D glucose, and in the glycogen the product is alpha D glucose. In both the cases, C1 of glucose and C4 of glucose from another molecule. Here also C1 of glucose and C4. So both resemble almost same, but here we are using beta D glucose and here the product is alpha D glucose. Okay, so I think this will be very useful, and the reducing property will have maltose and lactose will have the reducing property. And non-reducing property is a sucrose, starch, cellulose, glycogen are having non-reducing sugars. Okay, so hope this video is useful to you. Okay, I think this video is very useful to you. Share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay, wish you all the best. You just copied on this tablet column. Wish you all the best.